Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Real quickly, I just want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you to anyone who comes in to check out my knife, my ADC content. I really appreciate it. I know it takes time. I'm glad you're here. I hope you come back. If you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It'll help me out and it'll keep you updated. So today is kind of a unique little unboxing. I didn't know what it was. It came from a different box, but this is something that, or a different address in a different box, but this is something that Vosteed has sent out for me to check out. And I'm very appreciative. And I was very curious about this little guy. And this is, from my understanding, and we'll see when we get in here, but the Vosteed Raccoon Mini. Vosteed pouch. Now, all it had on the box was a part number. So, I didn't want y'all to think I'd gotten wise with you. Now, I got an Instagram message when I talked to them about wanting to check out some more of their knives, that they had a couple of these and they were getting ready to drop. And these are little mini, little mini raccoon, guys. So, you know, I've had several raccoons on the channel. I've got the first one from Lefty EDC, which was a button lock. I picked up the liner lock in the Warncliffe. I picked up, what else did I get? I think I've had 3 raccoons. I love the knife, and when the Mini was coming out, I didn't know it was coming out. When they asked if I wanted to check it out, I was like, absolutely. It is 14C 28N. This is just an unboxing too, guys. This one's the blacked out blade with a, looks like black G10, deep carry, reversible pocket clip. Looks like it's got a captive pivot. Nice liner lock. Looks like it's got a front flipper that works very well. You'll notice that it doesn't have as much of a point sticking up, but you do have this nice jimped area. The jimping could go a couple more jimps around. I'm always a big fan of that, but this seems to work just fine. If you just aim for the front, you've got that cutout there. Aim for the front and it just deploys like a dream. Or you've got these thumb studs. You know, I'm not great with thumb studs, but the detent on this is dialed. I was having to, it's got very strong detent. My middle finger flick, I've got to get it right in the right place. Get it to break in a little bit. But very, very cool little knife. The thing I noticed right off the bat is this forward finger choil, which is just great. You've got a little jimping there. Really gives you a good grip. You've got jimping up here on the top of the blade for those, you know, detail cuts. If you want to get more traction up towards the top of the blade, and you've got jimping here towards the back. Just a very comfortable small knife. Curiosity, let's do a quick size comparison. So it's going to be just a little bit bigger than the Baby Banner. And we'll do, again, this is just an unboxing, guys, so we will do measurements, weights, all that good stuff when we do the review. Vosteeds are laser beams, guys. This is a tall flat ground 14C 28N blade. That was me missing the cut altogether. Guys, it is stunningly sharp. I'm not doing it justice. Sorry, I'm just kind of in that little therapeutic slicey mode. But a very, very slicey little knife. I like this colorway, and as you guys know, I'm sure there will be many different colorways to choose from. I will, in the description, leave my Vosteed affiliate link. I'll have to go to their site and see if I can find this exact knife, if it's on there yet, because again, I was not aware of it. we had just a little Instagram conversation about just different knives that might be available. It's got a nice lanyard loop here. Looks like T8 hardware. Let's check that. T8 pivot. It's going to be T6 hardware on the clip and on that one body screw, which is fine. You do have recessed screws and a recessed clip, so it should be really easy in and out of pocket. Let's give it a quick trial. Oh yeah. Goes in and out of pocket like nobody's business, guys. I like the way the front flipper looks on it. It kind of looks different to me. I mean, it kind of had a different profile when we took it out of the box, didn't it? I mean, to me, it looks a little bit more aggressive, maybe. I like the blue studs. I think that kind of sets it off. I think that's pretty cool. Really love the ergos of this little knife, and I'm sure it's going to be a really good value. I'm not aware of it yet, what the price is, but like I said, I will check that. I will find a link. I will put it in the description, and we'll again, of course, talk about it when we do the review. But Vosteed kind of leads, at least my value knife connoisseur nature, I guess, for lack of a better term. I love their designs. I think they're original. I think they're unique. I think they're doing things that are neat in the industry with locks, with lock types, with materials, with putting materials together. I think the PSYOP was a great collaboration. I think the, I can't say it, the Tarasaurus, I always say that knife wrong. I did a review on it with the finger disc. Super unique knife. I love, love, love what they're doing with the top liner lock. Just a lot to be, you know, proud of for Vosteed. I think they're pushing the envelope. I appreciate them sending this out for me to check out so I could share it with you guys, let you know what I think about it. We can run it through some different cut tests. We can, I've got so many boxes laying around that I've at times cut little parts of, so we can do cut through some double-walled cardboard there. It's got some tape on it. Makes easy work out of it. I don't have any rope, but it does have a very nice point. This is the spear point Raccoon, which was the first blade shape that came out. The original Raccoon, the OG, so to speak. But guys, what a great little mini knife. What a exciting little entry that I wasn't really expecting. I didn't have it on my bingo card. But again, I hadn't been that plugged in because I hadn't as much been as active as I should be in the knife market buying knives. But yeah, what a cool little guy. So a little bit smaller than the Baby Banter. It's probably going to be smaller than, or it's a little bigger than the Baby Banter. A little bit smaller, good bit smaller than the Benchmade Baby Bug Out. And I say a little bit smaller, very little, right? I think it's going to be made up for in that blade. Super cool little knife. I love what they've done with the finger choil. I love what they've done with the grip of the knife. I think it's unique. I think it's cool. It's got great action, and it hadn't even been flipped with or played with yet. Again, reversible clip, liner lock, drop shut, thumb studs, front flipper. There you go, guys. Unboxing of the Vosteed Raccoon. I want to thank Vosteed for sending it out to me. I want to thank you guys for being curious enough to check out the content. And I promise you, I will give you my objective, honest review after I've had a chance to mess with it for a while. You guys know I'm an urban EDC guy. And I can kind of tell you, based on what I know about Vosteed, what I know about the tightness of this knife, no blade wobble, no walk, a really nice action. I think I'm going to like it. But again, we'll do a full review on it after I've cut with it, after I've carried it a few days. That way I can let you guys know what my gut says. So far, so good. Cool little knife. Glad to check it out. Glad to share it with you guys. Thanks for stopping in. All I ask, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. And go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.